Hey guys, my name is Elizabeth Suge and today I'm here with Gabrielle and we went ahead and created a halo eye using a beautiful golden color and plum. I'm going to start off by taking the shade Wish and patting that all over her lid and building it into her crease. Now I'm going to go ahead and just take a clean brush and blend the line between the shade Wish and her brow bone. Taking the Studio Pro Concealer in 100, I'm going to go ahead and carve out a halo. We're going to go ahead and take the shade Captivating and apply it where we added the concealer. Going back into the shade Wish, I'm just going to blend the edges. Taking the shade Romance, I'm just going to go ahead and apply that underneath her brow bone. Now I'm just going to go ahead and have her look up, and we're going to apply that same shade Wish on her lower lash line. Taking the shade Romance, I'm just going to go ahead and place that in the inner corners. And this is the same shade that we went ahead and applied under her brow bone. I hope you guys enjoyed. Now go ahead and hashtag BH Cosmetics if you guys recreate this look.